CorQs are a new indicator for this year. They are made out of all-natural, lightweight cork material. Very different than a lot of the other indicators on the market. They're extremely light, also very sensitive. Now, they come in a couple different flavors here. They come in the all-natural, which is actually one of my favorites. Just looks like a piece of wood floating down the river, but you can still see it because it's kind of that dark tan color. You also have two other colors here. You have your white colors and your neon colors. Now both of these, or all three of these colors, come in three sizes. They kind of come in a small, a medium, and a large. So you have basically 9 total sizes and colors all together. Now the neons come with 3 different kind of colors. The small is going to be pink, medium orange, and the large is going to be kind of that bright yellow color. To use them, they're pretty easy to use, just like any standard indicator that has a loop on the bottom. Now this little loop here is kind of a rubber material, which is very different than a lot of the other materials out there because it won't cut or damage your fly line. If this loop was plastic, or let's say it had a little metal grommet in there, it will damage your fine tippet and your line, causing you to break and lose fish. So what I have here is just a bright piece of tippet material. I just have some amnesia here so I can kind of show you how to use this. Just say this is your leader here, so you just loop your leader just like I did. You just take it and make a loop in it. Then you simply just take the cork indicator and you take the loop and slide it through the loop of the indicator. Then you kind of push it a little bit farther so that the loop is large enough where you can fit it over the indicator itself. And you just snug down, and there's your loop to loop connection. And then you can just kind of pull on it. And that'll help seat the indicator. I think I have it going sideways here. There we go. That'll help seat the indicator. Now to move it, if you're on really fine stuff, you can kind of just slide the indicator back and forth. But this is pretty heavy tippet material here. So for that, we'll have to just kind of push the loop back out a little bit. Pretty easy to do with your heavy leader material. And then just move it to another portion of the leader and just redo it. But if you're on the fine stuff, it'll usually slide fairly good on that rubber material and you can get away with it. But that is the cork indicator. Very neat indicator for 2015.